Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix the Discord account disabled issue. For instance, if you can't log into your Discord account and if you'd like to regain access to your Discord account really quickly. So let me show you how to do that. So in the first step, guys, launch a Discord application and try to log into your account with your email / phone number and your password. However, if that doesn't work, guys, because Discord keeps telling you that your account has been disabled, follow my instructions. Open any web browser, for instance Google Chrome, and head over to the homepage of Discord. So what you want to do here on the homepage of Discord is hover your mouse over support and select submit a request from that drop-down menu. In the following, you will be given access to that request form. So start with the first question: what can we help you with? Select appeals and age up that request from that drop-down menu. After that, enter your associated email address here, and from the following drop-down menu, how can we help? Select appeal and action taken on my account or bot. Continue with the next question below and select an action taken on my account from that drop-down menu. And here in the subject line, enter the subject: my account has been disabled. Describe the issue at hand here in the description box below. For instance, ask the support team of Discord to unlock access to your Discord account, like that, with a text like this, for instance. And in the final step, guys, doing this is optional, but I would recommend to do this, would be to attach any files like images or screenshots, for instance, of your login screen showing or proving that you can't log into your account and that access has been denied. So attach these files by clicking on add file here, and in the final step, confirm by clicking on submit below. And after that, Discord will send you an email to your associated email address with the next steps to follow to unlock access to your account. So simply follow these steps, guys, and regain access to your disabled account. If you follow these steps, chances are high your account is going to be unlocked again. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.